Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect.
Today we're going to show you how to replace a shave plate on your snowblower. Reposition the drift cutters so you can tip the snowblower onto its impeller housing. Remove all the fuel from the engine and carefully tip the snowblower forward onto its impeller housing. Remove the skid shoes. Remove the shave plate mounting bolts and pull off the shave plate. Install the new shave plate. Reinstall the shave plate mounting bolts. Loosely reinstall the skid shoes. Tip the snowblower down and set the skid shoes to the recommended height. Adjusting the skid shoes as they wear keeps the shave plate from scraping the ground so it lasts longer. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at searspartsdirect.com/DIY.
We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.